Hi guys, we are back. Today we have a shaded pole motor that the rotor inside the stator is stuck and does not turn easily. We want to test it for insurance that the winding is right, and after that we open the electric motor and rectify this problem. Okay, first of all we test the windings. For testing the windings we have, as you see, a common wire here, this blue wire, and two series windings that this motor has a 3 RPM, black, white and green. We have to check these 3 windings with common. Okay, near 14O. 42 and near 15 ohms. Okay, as you see, the winding is correct, and now we have to open the motor and rectify the stuckness of the rotor inside the stator. Okay. It has 2 long screws, one with a nut, and the other one. This is the rotor, guys. This is the rotor, and as you see, the rotor has stuck inside the bearings. On the other side also we have another bearing. Okay, as you see, this is the stator. This is the shaded pole motor. As you see, this type of motor is a shaded type. Okay guys, we have to pull out the rotor. Okay guys, if the bearing is stuck, you can use WD-40 spray. Okay, we pull out this spring also. We have to clean the shaft. You know, after a while, the stain and also the debris is caused to rotor stuck inside the bearings. You have to clean it. You have to clean it, and with a soft sandpaper, we use P600. You can clean the shaft. You have to rotate the shaft. to all the surface of the shaft equally clean. Okay guys, as you see, the shaft now is clean. As you see, this bearing is a bushing type, and we have to clean the inside of this bushing. We can use the sandpaper. You can use a piece of sandpaper and like this. Be careful to use a soft sandpaper not to damage the bushing and also the shaft of the rotor. Okay guys, the both side has cleaned now. Also you can use the spray WD-40 for inside of the shaft. And dry the excessive. Okay, now we can test the rotation of the rotor inside the bushing. As you see, it moves easily. Okay. Okay guys, now we can assemble the electric motor. Okay, first of all, we have to assemble the inside of the rotor, the inside bushing. Hold it and push the rotor inside the end bushing. After that, you can assemble the side. Okay guys, now it moves easily. Now we can fasten the bolts. Okay guys, we fasten the bolt, and as you see, the rotor is moving easily. The problem has been rectified, and don't forget to like this video if you like this, and also subscribe the channel. Thank you guys. Bye for now.